Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to watch Disney+hotstar in the USA and what actually works right now. First, Disney+hotstar is not officially available as a standalone service in the United States. Instead, most of its content is distributed through other platforms. The easiest way is to use Hulu or ESPN Plus because many Hotstar shows, movies, and sports content are available there, especially under bundled plans with Disney+. Next, you can search for specific Hotstar titles on these platforms, as popular content is often included but under different categories. Make sure your subscriptions are active and apps are updated to access the latest content available in your region. If a show is missing, it's usually due to licensing restrictions in the USA. Avoid using unofficial methods or risky tools, as they can lead to account issues. And that's how you can watch Hotstar content in the USA safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.